Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Dianis Manuela Rivero Calderon. I am a student of agroforestry engineer. My group class is 144. I share my explanatory video live project. My expectation and hope for the future. My life project will be to finish my studies and specialization to give a good quality to my family and have my own company. 2. I will able to travel and enjoy trips with my family member, and I will get to know other nations. 3. I will have to buy my own house, and it will not be far for fulfilling it, and will share with my family. 4. I will live in harmony and happiness for having achieved it every day, street by street. I am building. 5. I will able to travel and see different places, and I will enjoy what I have achieved so far. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.